Yo, okay, hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech with my Queen, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung A11. Yes, I did Samsung A11. So, for many of you that may have heard, Samsung started an A series where they produced phones and they were naming them A10, A20 ahead of an A80. But today we got our hands on the A11 and I'm going to be unboxing this one. So, shall we? Wow, a box in a box, Samsung, classic Samsung. Then this guy, alright. Okay, so like a pack. Let's see. Okay, so there's like an opening here, yeah, and this comes here. Then some warranty cards, some quick start guide. You don't need that obviously. No one, wait. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys ever read your quick start guides for a phone or for a laptop or for something? Yeah. Then they have like a sticker that contains, that has like the barcode for like their I think it's just based on the phone or something, or maybe somewhere. Well, Samsung felt they should let consumers have their hands on the information about where and how and what exactly the product is and the serial number and all that. Then the warranty card, yeah, some in different languages. Yeah, you don't need that, so let's keep that aside. Yup. Alright, so the main phone itself. So we're going to be unboxing this. Okay, so first off, I'm going to let you guys know the what's the word? The specification about this phone. So the basic ones, it has an infinity OLED display. So for many of you who don't know what that is, that's simply talking about the fact that it has no bezel rather. So a bezel is like, for example, take a look at my iPhone. This white spots is a bezel. Take a look at this iPad. This white area is what you call a bezel. So Samsung didn't produce any bezels with this phone whatsoever. And sure, let's take off this wrap. Let's take this wrap off. Feels so good. Oh, okay, from the top, I believe. Yeah, so nice. By the way, it has triple cameras and it has a fingerprint scanner. Hopefully, it has a face recognition software that allows us to use face recognition for locking and unlocking our phones. Oh, sorry, for unlocking our phones. Yeah. Then, so this is the fingerprint scanner right here at the back, and it's like a miniature fingerprint scanner. And this phone is like a plastic. It has like a plastic back, but has this frosted glass finish and triple cameras here on the left hand side. Then Samsung logo at the bottom. Then some specifications here at the downside. Then this is the screen, completely bezel-less. Like, I don't think this, and it has this whole punch camera here. But when a company says they make a phone or a particular gadget that has no bezels, don't trust them on their first word. Try it out for yourself. So we're going to turn on this phone sooner or later. So let's keep this aside for now. Then charging brick, say adaptive fast charging brick. Then yeah, how many watts is this? Okay, so it's a travel adapter, so you can take this on your plane, by the way. So it's about 10 watts, I believe. Yeah, 10 watts, 10, 15 or 10 watts, depending on probably your main voltage or wherever you are. Then this is our charging cord. Yeah, our cord. Wow, first time I'm like getting my hands on a USB Type C. So this is the charging, and it's USB Type C connecting to the port, like to the point in the device, and USB 3.0 most likely to the connects to the charging brick, as you can see. Yeah, so connect all that sooner or later. Then you still have something. Samsung always has something hidden. So you have this this small USB SIM card remover pin. I just call it a pin, sure. so we don't need that, so just keep that aside. Also, then they have headphones. Yes, the classic white looking headphones, beautiful, glossy, and gets dirty easily type of headphones. Not that I hate Samsung, but I have this same earpieces or earphones that came with the I came with the Samsung J6 Plus, and it got dirty easily, really dirty. Even the one that came with my the S7 Edge also got dirty easily. Anything white basically will get dirty easily, so we should expect that. So let's just keep that aside. Then yeah, that's about everything in the package. Let's just keep this here, let's keep this here, and let's keep this here. Yeah, put that somewhere. So let's get into the phone, shall we? The volume buttons are only on the left side of the phone, and so is the power button. So it's not like the J6 Plus whereby the power button or the unlock button is the same thing as the fingerprint scanner. So that's the scanner is at the back, so that's really nice. So yeah, hole punch camera. It has most likely 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, the USB Type-C port. Then that speaker, they only have like one speaker outlet, and that's going to be really blocked by like our phones as we hold the phone with our hand. So you should expect that if you're ever going to get this phone for yourself. So we're going to turn it on right now. Nice, same classic Samsung startup, Samsung Galaxy A11 powered by Android. Yeah, I think this one has the latest version of Android, or it has the latest version of Android from its time. An irony, yeah, I get. So Samsung load up screen, same classic one, yeah, the usual. And also, as this loads up, I know something about Samsung phones. Samsung phones are always very good with their cameras. Yeah. So like I said earlier, when its company tells you their phone is bezel-less, don't believe them. Look at this. Like the bezel, there's still a bezel here. Oh, I just touched the screen. There's still a bezel here, and there's still a bezel here. So let's continue with the configuration, shall we? Before we go into other things. Yeah. So English United Kingdom. Yeah. Then insert SIM card. You don't have any SIM card. Wow, this screen changes according to your use. Wow, I didn't even know what that happened. What was that? Okay, so end user agreements, details. Check out some of the information to get started. Why is the screen going on and off? What the? I hope it's like I'm not covering this thing. This is funny, guy. The screen is reducing as you bring it down. The screen brightness drops. As you bring it back up, the screen brightness most likely does not increase. Okay, I agree to all of them. Next, add network. You know what? I'm going to skip this for now and copy apps and data. So we're going to stop here for now because I'm not going to be using this phone, but I just let me unbox it so you guys can see it. Then let's talk about some other things. Let's talk about the camera bump. It's not so much, it's like it's built within the back of the phone, and I really like that. Then front camera is about, I think the hole punch camera I said earlier, and it's also built into the screen. There's no screen guard on this, by the way. There's like I think it's like a microphone up here that allows you to be able to see to speak to others. It's the same classic Samsung putting their microphone up here. Yeah, so that's been it for this unboxing. So we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy A11, and yeah, you would also want to think twice about getting a phone like this, because I know it's not usually the best of phones to get at a time like this. So yeah, you could save your money, get Note 20 Ultra or something, and you're good to know. So that's been it on the channel for Tech with My Great for today, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.